Hey guys, what's up? It's Shauna from Shine Your Heart. Welcome to the Taste of Downtown, Earth Day edition. I'm excited and very happy to be a part of this virtual presentation and this virtual event that we're doing here together. And how appropriate to be part of the Earth Day special. I wish it was Earth Day every single day and that we were as mindful this month all the time as we are in the month of April when we celebrate Earth Day. Shine Your Heart is a cruelty-free company. Everything that I create, all the materials that I use, everything that I source is cruelty-free. I use vegan leather in all of the leather-looking bags and cruelty-free products everywhere in the store. Everything is handmade by me here in my downtown location. In today's video, we're gonna actually do a vegan leather demo. I'm going to marble some fabric. It's going to be Earth Day tones, and then I'm going to take that and create two pouches, zipper pouches with that. So we'll have one cloth out of the marbled fabric, and we'll have one that's from the vegan leather that I carry. And I'll show you some of the vegan leather pieces that I have, so you can actually see the textures that are currently offered, from ostrich to snake skin to alligator. Let's get to the fabric marbling. I'm going to take you through it, and then I'll do the reveal, and then we'll come back to the production table. We'll cut all the pieces out, and then we'll start to sew. So I'll see you soon. Okay. So we've completed the marbling, and this is what we have created. So I'm going to cut all the pieces out. We'll get everything interfaced, get all the supplies together. I'll come back and then I will show you some of the vegan leather pieces that I carry, that I have in my current inventory, and then I'll cut the vegan stuff out so that you can kind of see the one that we'll be using for the other pouch. Hey guys, welcome back. So I wanted to pull out a few of the pieces that I have in my current inventory that are animal skin, faux animal skin. And it's remarkable really that there are so many really beautiful textures that come directly from animals, but we've gotten so good at emulating them that there's no real reason why we should still continue to use some of those, in my opinion. No judgments against people who still prefer leather. It is a very strong, durable material, and I think it has its place. For me and my brand personally, I choose to use a replacement, a substitute, and I'm totally fine with that. So it doesn't feel like I'm missing something by not using leather items, and I think that's the part that's really important. I can still get the really beautiful textures from a vegan item that I would be getting from another animal hide of some sort. So the first one I'm going to show you is this really beautiful ostrich print, and this is the one that we're going to use for the second bag, the second little zipper pouch that I'm going to be making today with you guys. So we'll use that one. I mean, it's incredible, the texturing. I mean, you can just feel all these little divots, these little bumps here on the outside of the fabric, and it looks just like ostrich skin. Another piece that I have that I think is really beautiful is this silver snake skin. It's got really beautiful texturing. This other one, I'm not really sure what this is. However, it looks organic, it looks animal based. It might be like, I don't know, the underside of a snake, but like, printed side by side. I'm not really sure. I'm guessing that that's what that is, but these are ridges and you can actually feel them in here. I just think it's beautiful. It's really pretty. I don't know, if you see it as something else, I would love to know in the comments what you think it is. Here is another really beautiful piece, and this is very leather-esque. So this has got that sort of like, it feels like I hate to say it, veal skin, to be honest, you know, supple and really soft. Veal leather is really, really tender, and this is emulated to feel just like that. So this would be for like a slouchy bag, you know, something that's got like a hobo bag of some sort. But I love it that I can get something that's just as awesome but cruelty free. And then the other thing that working with vinyls kind of expands the offerings, I think, for me and my business, because then I can offer really, really, really cool things like these really beautiful pearlescent vinyls. It's like copper, it's just stunning. And this pearlescent gold, I mean, just really, really elegant and beautiful. And I don't have to worry about it or feel guilty. And I have these really fun bits that I have not created anything with quite yet, but you will see those coming because I've got something in mind for it. And then this one, which is a snake skin, but it's this really cool kind of rainbowy pearlescent. Can you see it? You can kind of see it. It's so different in the light. Stunning. I love it. So there's a couple pieces from my collection. I'm gonna get started on cutting the ostrich bag out, and if I have enough fabric from our woven bag, I will use that to line. Otherwise, I will pick another fabric that I have in inventory to line this with. So I'll see you guys shortly, and then we can get to sewing. Hey guys, welcome back. So I wanted to show you the finished product of what we were working on last night together. This is the small zippered pouch made from the fabric that we created specifically for Earth Day. Love it. It's really beautiful. It's got a really nice feel on the outside. You can feel some of the paint. I did cut the second one out that's made from the ostrich skin, and I will be posting that one up on our Instagram account at Always Shine Your Heart. So look for that this week. By the time this video airs, that will be up and you'll be able to see the final result from that. I'll make a short little video and post it up on our Instagram. This would be considered the small zipper pouch. It has a flat bottom and a nice thick vinyl. It's that ostrich that we cut for the second one. I am going to be running a special for these zipper pouches through the end of the month, and you can take an additional 15% off of our Earth Day products at our website by using our promo code EarthShine at checkout. So look for that. I'll include a graphic on that, and I'll be posting that on our social media in case you forget it, so don't worry too much about remembering it. But wanted to show you what the completed product looked like. I had a lot of fun making this with you guys, and can't wait to show you the second one. And if you have any more questions about vegan leather products, where to buy them, I get most of my stuff in downtown LA because I'm here and I'm local. But there are a lot of sellers on the internet that sell really beautiful vinyl items. So if you're a maker or you're interested in doing crafts and you want something that's cruelty free, there are a lot of resources out there for you. So I'll take a few moments in closing and I'll give you a quick tour of my studio so you can see where I do all of the marbling and my showroom in the front. You can make an appointment to come in and shop solo. The showroom is available by appointment during the week and on the weekends, closed on Mondays. But you can come in and shop and take a look at the fabrics. It makes a huge difference when you can actually touch and feel. But feel free to DM me or email me, love@alwaysshineyourheart.com. If you have any questions, I'm happy to point you in the right direction or help facilitate an appointment to come in. I'm also taking orders for these, so if you have a custom color that you're looking for, I'm happy to do a custom color for the Taste of Downtown participants through the end of the month. So DM me, email me, and I'll give you a tour of the studio, and then we'll say our goodbyes. All right. This is our Shine Your Heart showroom. So as you can see, we've got bags that we've been creating. You've seen us post those online. We keep some of our finished product here and some of the stuff that we do on pre-order. More bags. And I'm not sure if you guys know this, but my business was actually started making yoga bags. So we have tons of yoga bags for sale, branded hats, a little place for checkout here. And then moving along to the back, what I love, I mean, when I come into this place, it is so full of color and so full of things that I have poured my love and my time, my heart into. I get to look at these beautiful fabrics, just piles of these beautiful fabrics that I've painted, that I've marbled, and that part makes me really, really happy. So this is where I do all of the sewing. So this is going to be my cut table, and this is where I do all my interfacing for the things that I create. I do some of my videos here. I do some of the sewing with my domestic machine, and then I have an overlock machine over here for like finishing edges and things like that. And then this is where I do a lot of the vinyl bags, because I have an industrial machine and this thing just whips through seams like no other. I absolutely love it. And then over here, this is my little cutting table. Over here, I have my heat press. I have 2 heat presses. This is for stuff that I create in studio. That's like a one-off. I have my cutter here. This is where I do all of my marketing stuff. And then where I hang my fabrics to paint, and I marble all of my stuff. So basically my little studio from the backside looking out. It's a really awesome place. So thank you guys so much for being here today. Thank you for your time and attention, and for, you know, being a part of the Taste of Downtown. I love that I get an opportunity to share my passion with you and talk about why I started this business and what's really important to me. Make sure that you take advantage of some of the specials that we are running for the Earth Day and for the Taste of Downtown event. And you know, one way that you can help a business grow without spending $1 is by liking, by sharing, by tagging any of their posts. If they have a YouTube channel, you know, subscribe, like their videos. That helps just sort of bump up the content that they're creating and get it in front of more people, so that more people can know about, you know, their brand. So if you're so inclined, please follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Always Shine Your Heart. Go to our website and join our newsletter. And we do have a new YouTube channel. It's at Always Shine Your Heart. And we post our fabric tours, our bag tours, you know, the time lapses and the making of the items that you purchase from us. So that's one really fun thing that we offer. When you purchase a bag or you purchase some fabric from us, we record the whole thing and then post that up so that you can actually watch your particular product being created. So something really special that I think is super fun, and it makes what I do very unique. I would love it if you were a part of that and you join me in my journey, and we get to know each other. So thank you for being here, and we will see you on the next video. Much love to you.